What's up, internet? Welcome to the internet. Today, my friends and I will be going to... I don't know where are we going, but we are going somewhere around Uluyam for a short ride and also for lunch. It's going to be our first time there, so what a hot ass day. But I guess it's fine, at least I don't have to worry about the rain, since it's been raining literally every day, which kind of sucks. So that's also one reason why I haven't been riding for like almost a week. But before I get there, I'll be meeting up with two of my friends. Where is me friend? Mana dia? He's always waiting here but he ain't. Oh, there he is. So ngam timing. Hello? Hello? Is his intercom not on? Wait. Oh. His tires just threw rocks at me. What the fuck? Huh? When we reach Nathan's place, then we'll connect from there. It looks like we are going straight, but I don't see how we can go straight. It looks a bit complicated. Oh, like that. Now we are heading towards the dark house. Go, go, go. How is it a problem? Just brake lah. Oh, this is ATV brake. How do people live here? Yep. This means yeah, because the car was in our way, so we had to go into the gravel. I think later we makan somewhere here good. I don't know where actually. Hey, you see the water splashing here? The fuck, that's spring water. Oh my god. I saw. I thought it was kids playing with their water gun or something. Going up okay. Going down I stepped in. Jeez, traffic jam. Oh yes. Press the brake constantly. Front brake. I think I normally I drive brake now. Like down, I don't stop. Slow down. Then after that, how nice of them. Don't worry, your tire much harder than mine. Your tire is the hardest among all of our tires. My tires are getting barbecued by my engine. Where got ATV? Oh, are the smokes coming from their engine? I think so. Legit. Hello. It is a car horn. It's made for car horns. I mean, it's made for cars. It did end already here. Cannot. I mean, you can, but that's where the ATV track is. No, that's legit the ATV track. Wait, I'm serious. It will lead you to the jungle and all that one, and it's fucking it's muddy as fuck. You can go and try and go. Now don't want pula. Go lah, that's what I said. You start first then we two go home What? We are actually going into their private property already. This is where the track begins. Not here. There's this small entrance. Yeah, this is the entrance. We going from here. Yeah. The track will actually lead you to this waterfall called Mary Jane Waterfall or something. Oh shit, I didn't see you there. Wait.
That's a real big fan. Hey, you don't have real big fan. You don't know real big?
Can I use?
Okay, that's how blocking.
Take your time. Don't drop Kennedy.
Okay, go slowly. Don't want to go so fast.
Or we could just turn our engine off and just roll down now.
Let's see, go out the house. I put my bike at neutral already. Cannot, I need engine braking, man.
I think if you use engine brake, your bike might just stall anytime soon.
I brake real more. No, okay, like that. This one is first gear. What is going like this now? My back a bit. My front end.
Hi again. Why are they even using this road for ATV?
What? That's dangerous. Almost like when you step on the rear brake, right? The rear brake that thing skip the ground.
What do you mean?
When you step on the rear brake, the right side. The thing skip the ground.
No, that's not normal. I don't know. Go explore. That's Eric, always don't know where it's going one. Hold. Oh, two big holes. What's with you and your power slide? Very fun, man. Hey, go in front, I want to see.
I don't know, you see, I straight enough, I see a tuck one sound like that.
Oh.
What is that? You saw?
You mean the cuck sound? Press again.
Right here.
No, it's not, I think that one a bit normal. But it's
not scraping the ground, right?
Yeah, it's not. So, lunch here or what? There's a restaurant here. Wait, why are we even parking here?
For fun. What did I step on it then? Oh, that's it.
Oh my god. Look how bloody filthy the bike is. And I just washed it like 4 days ago. What the fuck? not long enough.